So if you decide to go with the easier songs, I got you. And there's nothing wrong with that if you just want to sit and play something easy very quickly, something that everyone knows. I have a few songs prepared for you. The first one is Jingle Bells. And I'm going to give you maybe a little bit more challenging version so you can challenge yourself if you decide to shy away from other songs that I've prepared for you this holiday season. So let me show you what it will come down to. So now let's do a breakdown. Of course, we know the melody, it's pretty famous, but I'll still walk you through the parts. And then we're gonna repeat the same thing, and just the very end of it will be a little different. So let's play it one more time. Now let's do a little breakdown. First part. Next part. Now the part from the beginning that will be repeated. And the ending, which will be different. Skip. Now, in left hand, you can play one note only. Next phrase, we're gonna move from C up to F, back to C, up to G in left hand, repeat G in left hand, back to C in left hand. Up to G, F and right, both hands F, back to C, up to G, repeat G second time, and C. Now let's work on it in parts. So first part, C in left, E in right, so stop here and work on this part only. Then F in left and F in right, back to C in left, F in right, repeat this part again, now E in right and G in left, repeat G. So work on this part first. Then the next part will be exactly the same as the first part, with C, C, C. Next part, F in both hands again. Return to C in left. Next part, G in right, G in left. Repeat G in left, F in right. Skip to D and C. If you want to go further and if you want to switch to the chords, this is how you're going to do it. We have root note that we just played here. It's going to be the root note of the chord, the bottom note of the chord. How do we play chords? Want to remind you again. You have your root note of the chord, which is C. At the bottom, skip E, skip G. Here's your C chord. Always play it with 5, 3, and 1. I'm just playing it like that so you can see the keys that I'm pressing. C chord, F chord, we're going to move up. Pinky is on F, skip A, skip C. Repeat this several times. Back to C. Then we will also have G chord here. Go down, find G, place it at the bottom, B, D, and back to C. Now let's try and connect in parts. Prepare that C chord, E note in right hand. You know the melody good at this point, right? Next phrase, F chord, and let's play it maybe either here or there. Prepare it, find F. Go back to C chord. Work on this phrase, so it's going to be F chord and then C chord. Then go to G chord in left hand. I would suggest going down, as if you play G chord here, right and left hand are going to cross. So find it here a little lower, G, B, D. Play this phrase several times. Then we're going to repeat the phrase that we've already worked on. Next phrase, F chord here and F note here. Go back to C chord. Next phrase, G chord in left and G note in right. So now try and play the entire song. Good luck, just give it some time and work on this song in parts. Merry Christmas!